What's up, Amazon sellers? In this video, I'm going to show you the email I sent to a customer to get them to remove their negative 1-star review and leave me a 5-star review so I could go back to making sales like these. So stay tuned, guys.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So before I show you the email templates, let me give you a little backstory about how these negative 1-star reviews happen. So I have an electronic item, I've been selling on Amazon for almost 2 years, and in the beginning I didn't want to start with a product with a kind of a liability like an electronic product, but once I got my LLC set up and everything and I knew the ropes of Amazon, I wanted to take that risk. These other products that are harder to get into, electronic items, more risky things, have more barriers to entry, which also leads to less competition, which made me want to sell that product in the first place. It's also a higher ticket item, so I make a lot of money with one sale per unit. And ultimately, the reviews matter so much for this product because everyone in the market has literally below 4 stars or right around 4.5 stars. So I came in, my product had 7 reviews, all 5 stars, and then I got hit with a 1-star review, okay? I have another listing that has 23 reviews with 4.5 stars, but in this video, I'm talking about the listing with 7 reviews that all had 5 stars, and then I got a 1-star review, which brought me straight down to a flat 4 stars. So this was really painful. I noticed my sales really started to kind of tinker off, but let me show you guys right now. There's another video I'm gonna make to kind of show you guys the process and the trek on up to $20,000 per month with 2 products. You guys can see it's not even 12 o'clock noon yet. It's only 11:30 a.m. and I'm already pulling almost $1,000 in sales this morning. So that's because I got my review taken care of. So the best thing I can do to show you how I got the review removed is to show you the actual emails I've sent out to my customer. Now, I do use Feedback Whiz. It's about $20 a month, but you can see in this picture I'm going to show you, I have 1 day left of my free trial, and I've really loved it, so I'm going to go ahead and step it on up. I mean, it's just $20 a month to automatically track your reviews, the emails you're sending out. You can set up campaigns, so if a customer returns an item, you can immediately have an email get sent out to them. It just helps you sleep a lot better at night knowing that you're saving a lot of these potentially negative reviews, as well as you're actively seeking out positive reviews with other email templates that you can generate inside of Feedback Whiz. So I think I forgot to mention that I'm going to have Feedback Whiz linked down below, and you can actually check them out on YouTube too. They have a lot of cool videos. You can pretty much see some of the templates that they use and how they go about their framework of using them. And there's even this YouTube video that shows you the power of using GIF images in your reviews to really bring out a funny kind of appeal to your customers. Now,
thank you for a recent purchase of your item. Hopefully it's making you feel like a person dancing. If you wouldn't mind clicking below, leaves a product review. It's just funny.
This isn't going to work for every single product, but I think it really works well if you have that great kind of product for it, maybe a dog product or something in the baby niche, something like that, guys. So it's also super snowy here, so I hope you don't mind me laying over some fun little drone clips. And yeah, it's freezing out here, guys. I'm going to show you right now the Feedback Whiz templates that I was using, and these are kind of just my first and second emails that I will send out to customers to say, hey, is there anything wrong? What happened? How can we help you out? And you'll see I blocked out some of the things like the product image, the product title. Those are all blocked out here, and you can see I even had at the bottom there pretty much my phone number that I blocked out because I want my customers to even be able to reach out to me by phone. And I'm not sure if this is 100% against Amazon's terms of service, but what I'm able to do in this case is if they get on the phone with me, guys, it's a no-brainer. They're going to easily just say, wow, you have great customer service. We've never had this happen before. Thank you so much. And I honestly offer them out a free product, even though it's going to cost me some money, in hopes that they're going to remove their negative review. And they always do, guys. If they get on the phone with me, it's like a 90% chance that they're going to remove that review. So I leave my phone number in these email templates. But the funny thing is, you can see the email templates I was using in Feedback Whiz. They're kind of long. They're big emails and all this stuff. What I did to actually get the review removed was actually yesterday, I sent out this really short message to the customer. It was such a simple message. This was after I sent them the 2 emails through Feedback Whiz, so she had probably maybe seen them and just skipped over them. But now I'm just sending her another type of email that was just right through the Amazon platform. I didn't even use Feedback Whiz, and I wrote it in such a small, concise way that it made them say, hey, we got the replacement, it is working, and she's happy about it. She didn't even respond to me. She ended up just erasing her 1-star review and replacing it with a 5-star. The initial review the customer left on my product for the 1-star, she just said, I got the product in and it stopped working after 2 weeks. But now it also says, update, I got a new replacement, customer service was excellent, everything is working great and fine and dandy. So that took my rating from 4 stars on up to 5 stars, and in this market I'm in, no one has 5 stars on their product. That's why I'm able to pull out on my phone right now 7 sales of this high ticket item already this morning. I actually bumped up my Amazon PPC bid, so that's pay-per-click ads. I'm literally bidding like 75 cents per click, and I've already made 8 sales. A lot of those are organic. I mean, I'm making a lot of sales even without advertising, but now that I got this 5 stars, I want to push it hard and get sales through advertising so that I can start ranking for more keywords inside of Amazon. So guys, that's all I wanted to bring you in this video. If you liked it and got some value, please drop a thumbs up. I hope these email templates can help you guys out in your journey. Please subscribe to the channel as I'm going to show my January income report. I do have an Amazon course, and a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, I hope you're not making more in your courses than you are in your Amazon product sales. And I can assure you guys I'm making a lot more actually selling on Amazon than with my course sales. So I'm really proud I can say that right now. Other than that, guys, I'm also going to show you my road to 20K. This is absolutely insane, so please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.